Yes. That's the message.
Like the woman who offered the prayer, he said it all. We don't want to know what the enemy said, what the enemy did not say, what anybody said. But our people will address that at the appropriate time. We only want to tell you, welcome. This is a solidarity and welcome visit by your people. We are behind you. We are with you. Anything you say, anything you do, on behalf of us, politically, we are with you. Nobody can change us, nobody can shift our eyes out from you or from the Minister of Federal Capital Territory. We are with him, we are with him. We are with you, we are with you. So we are pleased that we have gathered this a few that we can reach immediately after our Congress. Very successful Congress. I reported to you when I left. I came back to you to tell you we have come back. We are here to say thank God, and thank God. And to tell you our solidarity with you is forever because we made our Congress. I will, at this point, after greeting everybody like I did, and thanking God for you and for ourselves, because anything other than this would have locked us up. We wouldn't have known how to explain it. But thank God, our leader and Federal Capital Minister was here with his own entourage. And we are here today. I don't know who else we expect. We are not expecting any other person. I don't know who else we are expecting in the political space. We have come, and this is us. We want to assure you of our solidarity with you. Solidarity forever, because we are together. Having said that, we will do the rest of the interview and the rest of the political talking outside, so that we can allow you attend to your therapist and the rest of that. I took special permission for this hour because I know this is your treatment time. But because of the interest we have in us and our own wish to make sure we see you before our leaders leave, particularly the former chief of staff is leaving for Abuja too. So we are here now. Bear with us for disrupting your problem. That's right. So as we go outside, we'll do the rest of the talking. Because we'll tell the world that you are back and you are back. We'll also make them know we are in solidarity with you. Nobody changes us. We've taken a decision. The line is drawn. Whatever anybody here, they can take it on their own group. This is our own group. Come on, Mecca. Mecca. PDP. PDP. Our solidarity with you. You are a leader. We have come to say thank God for your coming back. It can take 20 years, it can take 2 days, but we are praying for a very quick word from God that we'll meet with you again where we used to meet. And we'll be coming here from time to time until we are fully healed to come out to the arena in Port Harcourt and elsewhere. But because our leader has been here, we are satisfied. Yeah, we can here with we are satisfied. And now that he has come and gone, we now want to keep it going so that we don't lose anything because we are with you. Solidarity is forever. The line is drawn. I keep saying, Mecca. Then we'll have Mecca. Lord the fourth Mecca. Mecca. Record.
Of record, okay, and you of record, okay, party, of record, okay, government to other fan record. Him roasted their fan record, no. Zimbodo, and only women, Pakara. I make you know who went bono Yam or year one weekend because of Haley Barnoku. Walker came to River State and I can't no governor before Emohua. Can never. Oh, when a monoton conscience or can no extension and I got a preliminary. Most of where he would repair daily book and I. St. Kansas, okay, came with a weekend, Gabby, that I'm not aware too. Yeah, but make it a year. and many cases. And many cases. Name one year some week I can't Omele. Omele because politics people it make on bad, don't go to okay. In Lala many worker. The FCT minister is not like that. He came to see me in London 2 times. 2 times. One in the hospital, one in my house. He's a dependable ally. Oburele no kumena karoka nana kageka oza himaka oza himaka akana kakeni babo mai magogo babo mai himaka wono hite no homeno no benyi temo wabi no benyi ani no brand ya boma e baba kanu e balaba kanu nzono he must know what Jamona can because or the cat inyaka or the go honanya or the cat men go name menu bad go menum be a masanella can rule Yamoku and Name my connection and I PDP is of one family. PDP must be one family. Amen. And when election on Saturday, that's how it's supposed to be. Quiet and nice and well done. Mulema and many handmen and Udo. Now, bomb traditional ruler. Bomb traditional ruler. Oh, one has a name. Mburunga na mzere noro. N'elekiri no TV. Owono de ka question ni je kwa mso ma ansai. Ko mara no. Iwu loro ma wu asa. Okan akara je ikezi. Iwu loro ma wu asa. Okan akara ikezi o metu kido ni ame pato se de hoya. Omo welo me penti ni kan gbarba ngo hu agbaro na am gba penti kwada mo mama ta mege mi no ikuru korinore amo ya manaka mbo traditional ruler no noble can come to my palace wherever you are come black green yellow black come waba no noble ba no barota and mele hanoba oblele bere. Look, now come Babu and wish him well, boy. And we are back at the man and young girl. The covering Bodo. Oh, really, Sabah come upon Ben as a happy man and what? The more prayers to this house, the better for my life. Because I am not done with what I'm battling with as an illness. I'm not done. I'm still battling with it. But the worst time is over. The worst time is over. I will never pray death for he who is praying death for me. It's against my principle as a Christian. The Bible says pray for those who curse you. The Bible said make friends with those who want you as enemy. Mama module market and because the Nalibic of 4 months. One will more than Bible. Now that's a mistake. Now has an obiku. Who won't call him a hero? Oh, who won't call him in no blame and men and barrel. Thank you very much. And you're going because and say about Romapa and sit to no. Oh, they didn't know or here I have. Thank you very much.